How does this odd-looking bird, with the name of a famous whale, manage to fly with such grace?
This shit way too formal, y'all know where to follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her hop in, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm a